Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Ghostfinn fishing rod in Fish It. So you will need this diving gear. To purchase the diving gear, you'll need to go to Weasel's Utilities and purchase your diving gear here. It is worth 75,000 coins. Then you're also going to need a boat. I just used the jet ski view boats here and spawn this. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the Lost Isle. Make sure you equip your diving gear, so just select it and then press your character. Then you're just going to kind of drive there. It does take a few seconds to arrive, especially if your boat isn't as speedy. My jet ski isn't super fast, but if you don't have a boat or you can't afford to yet, you can ask like your friend or somebody random to take you there. I don't know. Just gonna drive there. Sorry for the long wait. All right. Okay. So like under this arrow is where you're going to kind of dive. So I usually just like kind of like look here. So like right about here, doesn't have to be exact. So here. Jump off and dive down. So basically you're going to want to fish at two spots. This is like the first spot here. I'll just go in and kind of read the instructions to get the Ghostfinn Rod. So here, deep sea quest, I will need to catch 3 mythic fishes at Sisyphus statue, which is here, and catch 1 secret fish at Sisyphus statue, which is also here. So I need to catch this here. I've already completed this one. Then I'll also need to catch 300 rare or epic fish in the treasure room. So the treasure room is the one below this. So you'll need to catch 300 of those. Like down here. My suggestion is to just go up there and like at the Sisyphus statue. And just wait till you have secret to then go down here so that your luck will just be there, because you only need like the rare and like epic for this one, but you'll need secret for the other room. Once you're done with everything, you will get the Ghostfinn. I don't remember the rod. Rod. Basically, you're going to get the fishing rod. It's like the most op rod, I guess. And it's really hard to get it. I mean, this is only my second day playing this game, if I'm being honest, but I still need the secret and the rare and epics in the treasure room. Also, you will need to sell your fishes, I think, to get like 1 million coins, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.